Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to order in bulk from Shein. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein and you can use your app or your new browser, doesn't matter. So open up Shein, and if you have an account you can log into your account. So if you want to make orders in bulk, so what you can do is a simple and easy method to do that is just select the item that you wish to order. So just select any item, just open it up, click on it, and then open it up, and then just add it to your cart. Just select it and add it to your cart. So for whatever, so if you just hit on this cart option here, so it will be added to your cart. So when you get to your cart here, so what are you going to do? So let's say here, when you get to your cart, so I've got this item on my cart. So if I want to order this in bulk, so what I can do, I can simply click on that quantity option here, and suppose I need like in bulk, for example, like 100 item, and when I type 100, and there is a maximum limit for each item. So for this item there is only 99, so also the maximum I can order in bulk is 99, so I'll just use 99. Or else if I don't want if I want something less, so probably like 50 of those, then I'll just type in 50, hit on confirm. So hit on confirm, and then once you're done with that, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on checkout, and then if you have any more items to add, you can simply add it to your cart as well. And then as usual, the normal stuff, just select your payment method and everything, and then just complete the purchase. So that's pretty much it is. This is pretty the most easiest method that you can do in order to order in bulk. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.